Okay, so we're back. And if you want to see how we did this color, it's on Instagram TV and whatnot. You can follow that here somewhere. And today we're going to show you how to do flat iron curls without twisting. So it's none of this like twisting thingamajig. I've had a lot of clients in the salon and they don't know how, they can't figure it out. So I'm gonna show you a couple different tricks. Actually, I'm gonna show you a couple different tricks and she's going to do it.
Oh, okay.
Woo! Okay, so here we are, Cloud 9 flat iron. A lot of people go through and just kind of like, you can curl either away from the face, so it's just like doing this, or you can go towards the face, which is like doing this. But it's no fun on me because I don't have any hair, so it's a lot more fun with Tiffany. So what you're gonna do is take the iron.
Okay.
Okay, and you can just take individual sections.
Okay.
Just like so, and you can take, here I'll show you, I'll do the first one as a demo.
Okay.
So different ways to do the hair. So you've seen a lot of people kind of go through and wrap the hair like this. Yeah, that's kind of boring. So, or you've seen people go through and kind of just do this and then just start twisting the hair, like as so, like they put it in the thing and then just kind of like twist out. But the hair kind of gets a little tangly when you do that. Sometimes you're allowing too much heat on the hair shaft and then you cause breakage and other things.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Next section.
Okay.
And what you do is you kind of go around the head, out close.
And then pull. Oh.
Okay, so now your turn.
Okay.
Okay, so yep.
Smaller?
Yeah, no, that's perfect.
Okay.
Okay. So now what you're gonna do is like you're gonna go away from the head, so you're gonna wrap it around both pieces.
Both pieces.
And then in the piece.
Wrap it
So
around both and then in.
No? Yeah, one less. One less.
Okay.
Okay, so
Redo.
Okay, no, that's okay.
Okay.
So just
Here.
wrap all the way around. Okay, cool. And then in. Yeah, there you go. And now close. Cool. Now pull.
Oh, cool.
See, it's way easier when
Yeah.
you do it because when I do it, it's
Totally.
all wonky.
Yeah.
So now maybe just redo the front pieces.
Okay. So
So
wrap
all the way around, then in,
and
then close,
in, close,
and then pull.
and pull.
Cool.
Oh, wow. That is easy.
Yeah. And then we're going to go through and do the whole head.
Okay.
I'll
So,
help you with pieces. Yeah, there
okay.
you go.
This one?
Yeah. So what we can do is maybe, so another thing you can do is if the hair is really, really thick, it's always easier to do maybe the underneath. And now, just grab your sections.
Okay.
In, there you go, close, pull. Okay, and now the next section.
Okay.
And then so now you can always go through and twist these so it just kind of sets. Next one, there you go. All the way around, twist, close, pull.
Oh,
There you
yeah.
go. See? Okay,
That's
now we go
awesome.
through the next section. There you go. Oh yeah, you've done this before.
I haven't, I swear. That,
Okay, there you go. Cool.
okay.
Okay.
And then, oh,
No,
in.
okay, that's okay. Here,
Okay.
let me grab it for you.
Smaller
Okay,
piece,
there you go.
maybe?
Smaller pieces are always better.
Okay.
So this
I was getting a
section-
little
okay,
ambitious
there
with
you go.
that. Okay,
Cool.
here.
Okay.
Point it
So all the way around.
in.
No, yeah, that works. And then close and pull. Cool.
Okay.
If her hair was a lot longer, it would be a lot easier to do the back, but I'm going to help her with the back. If her hair was longer, she could split it down the middle. Okay, so if her hair was a lot longer, you could split it down the middle and she could pull everything this way and everything this way. But with this length, it's a little tricky, so I'm going to do it. Here's your next section.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Yeah. I'm
Okay,
getting
next
it.
one. See, with longer hair, it's always easier.
Oh,
There you go.
that's still worked.
That one, yeah, that
Yeah.
one worked okay. There we go. Okay, next one.
Cool.
Okay, close. There you go. There, that twisted well. Around in. Cool. And then you can always just. Cool, awesome. Section away, so it's just like you're not dealing with too much hair. And you're trying to curl everything back the other way. So this is kind of backwards now.
Gotta learn how to do
Okay.
this right.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
So it's just like, yeah. So around, in, close, pull. Cool.
did they get-
And
yeah.
you can always, yeah, if you want, you can leave it in a little bit longer. Okay, try
So-
leaving it a bit longer.
down,
Down, then in, close, and go
close.
slower.
Oh, there we
Ta-da!
go.
There we go.
Okay.
Next one. There you go.
Thank you. So, around, in, close, and pull.
Cool.
Oh, yeah.
And so if they don't bounce enough, just go slower.
Okay.
Okay. There you go. Slower, close, pull.
Ah.
And there you go. You get a
Yeah.
bit more of that bounce, and then all you do is you kind of twist things out.
Mhm.
There you go.
Actually, that might be pretty quick.
Yeah. You do the next one.
Okay.
Awesome. The next one. Cool.
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 So now, if you want to make it like a little less like wavy and curly, what you do is take a wide tooth comb, pull it through the hair, and kind of like pull it out. Ta-da!
Yeah, that's awesome. Bouncy.